is a quick craft. We are going to make faux neon signs for our dolls using glow-in-the-dark puff paint, clear plastic from packaging, wire, paper, and markers. I start by taking a piece of paper. I'm using an index card to draw a design. I'm starting with something really simple. Let's just do a moon. Go over it with a marker to plan your colors. Our moon is just one color, but if you want to use multiple colors, this planning really helps. Take clear plastic from packaging and place it on top. Use tape to hold the picture in place. Very carefully and slowly go over the drawing using glow-in-the-dark puff paint. This was my first one and my hand was a little shaky. I had a difficult time in getting the paint even, but not too bad. Now we just have to wait for the paint to dry. While waiting, let's make a few more.
He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the battleship, so come to send.
This is a lot easier to do without the camera. I can really focus and try to keep my lines neat. I try to leave a little bit of space between parts of the letters to hopefully make a realistic look. Let's put the cactus right here, and I am going to try to be neat. Whoa, that one is so much better. I really like the way my rainbow turned out. Let's try the ramen next. To use my plastic, I put multiple pictures on each one. And then I just hope I don't get an air bubble. Aw, it's a little too thick right there. And my ramen is touching. Let's make one more for Chloe. Now we just have to let it dry. It's been about 4 hours and they're not dry. Oops, just messed up the ramen. I made another one. Now I'm just gonna let it dry overnight just to be safe. It's morning! Time to craft! Yay! It's dry! Remove the template from the back. Cut the plastic going around the outside of the puff paint. I kept a small rim around the edge. I took this thin wire out of Christmas ribbon. I had it laying around from the holidays. This wire is very thin and easy to work with. I take my sign, flip it over to the back, glue on the wire. I used small drops of hot glue to hold the wire in place. This part is completely optional. I just think it helps to look like it has real electrical parts. Continue to make more signs so you can place them all over the dollhouse. This neon sign is the perfect addition to Chloe's side of the room. The wire helps it to stand out just a little from the wall. I use my cell phone to shine light on it for a few seconds so it glows in the dark. And in the daytime, it still has a nice little neon color. Another option is to remove the template, cut out the image, cut a small rectangle of foam board, and remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. Glue the image onto the foam board to make a tabletop sign. And the perfect nightlight for our dolls. Get creative and make tons of different styles to light up your Dollyverse. Thank you for joining us while we made neon signs for the dollhouse. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
We want to give a shout out to Emma N. What's up? I'm thinking I need just one more. Whoa, Kenna, that is a lot of neon signs. You think you have enough? You can never have enough.